AZ88164 Ultra Low Temperature Data Logger. Is there any data logger can stand negative 80 degrees Celsius freezer and designed to meet CDC vaccine storage guideline? I need to simplify my cold chain management auditing. Is software-free temperature data logger existing? I am not an IT expert. Is there any data logger can generate statistical report automatically? AZ88164 Ultra Low Temperature Data Logger can fulfill all your needs. AZ88164 Temperature Data Logger can do measuring, alarming, and recording all at once. Ultra Low Energy Design and Detachable Platinum Probe measures down to negative 100 degrees Celsius with plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius accuracy at full range. IP65 waterproof. Comply to latest EN 12830 requirement. Check daily maximum and minimum record without downloading data by PC. LED alarm indication. One click to know the remaining power. Plug and play on Windows computer. Software is not required. Recorded data can be analyzed automatically and be saved as PDF or CSV files into computer. Simple 3 steps to operate. Plug to program, press start to record, plug again to generate report. The generated PDF report offers you logger profile, statistical data, diagram, and detail record. Check daily maximum and minimum record by one click. Glycol glass vial for detachable probe is also available.